back to my channel. Today I am going to be kind of piggybacking off of our furry ears tutorial, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can just create really cute ribbon with your Cricut and with our HTV at shopantite.com. If you want 20% off all the time on my products, you should become a member of antite.com. You'll get thousands of SVGs, just like the Lilo leaf that I'm using in this one, Disney inspired SVGs, and we also have a membership where if you're a business, you can sell stuff with our SVGs on it. We also have tons of other perks, so check it out on antite.com because you're not gonna want to miss out, honestly. But today I'm just gonna show you this super simple hack. Like, I'm gonna start doing more videos like this where it's just this simple concept, but you can really take this and use it for sports bows, softball bows. I say softball because that's our life, but you can use it for anything. So I didn't have a very good Lilo ribbon, so I just made one with the Lilo leaves and red ribbon. So let's just get going. Let's do this. Alrighty guys, so to start we just need a piece of ribbon and some HTV cutout in different shapes. Again, you can do this with your sports team names or whatever, but I really wanted a Lilo and Stitch custom ribbon, so I just cut out our SVG from our Lilo and Stitch bundle and cut out some of the leaves. And then I'm gonna form the bow first so that I don't overuse the HTV pieces. And I'm just going to open it back up and iron those on where they were on the actual bow itself. And then I'm using my Easy Press. I love the little Easy Press for little projects like this. I also love that I could just pull the ribbon through. I don't have to like fully adjust anything. I just let it heat up those little spots and then I pulled the ribbon through. For projects like this, I'm not as finicky with times. I just kind of eyeball when I think they're ready. And then when they're nice and cool, I pull off the plastic and it's good to go. And then once we have that all done and they're ironed on, I'm just going to reposition my bow and make it into a bow and put it on wherever I need to put it, whether it's on a hair tie or on a hat or on Mickey ears, whatever you want to do. But for this, I used a Mickey hat.